So I think the week here at the Sim Lab has been really helpful on tips to pick up speed with doing class 2, stainless steel crowns, how to do things more efficiently. I really appreciated learning how to trim the adult stainless steel crowns. I think Dr. Bishop's a great mentor, showing us how everything can be done better.
So there are certain things that I wasn't sure how to do in clinic, and then now that I'm here, I get the chance to actually learn how to do it properly so that I can take it back to clinic.
It's been a really awesome opportunity to kind of strip down all the distraction and be able to just focus on your technical skills. Has been really awesome. There's been opportunities where I've had the ability to be able to come here and be I can really take my time and get perfected at using the tools that we use.
It's really helped just getting the reps in, repetition, just doing all these procedures that we've had in the past. Just being able to do multiple of them in a setting where you can just kind of take your time, try to get stuff done, and try to do it correctly.
I think it's helped me hone in some of my clinical skills. I learned new tips and techniques to really perfect some of the procedures that we do. The case studies, comparing the x-rays and saying, okay, this person could have done this better. And being able to see that and then go into the lab and practice stainless steel crowns and practice our class 2s has been really helpful.
I think it's been really great to meet the other doctors who are kind of in the same position as me, just coming out of dental school. And just kind of remember that you're part of something bigger. It's not just in your office. Those mentor dentists are really great resources. They're in different phases of their career, so it's just kind of good to connect with other people in the company doing the same thing you're doing, just in different places.